Hello friends, Swapnil here. In this video we are going to see our next data type, that is list data type. So let's get into code and we'll see what is list data type. So guys, in previous episode what we were doing was where you are assigning a single value to a single variable, right? So what if you wanted to store a multiple values inside a single variable? How you can do that? Okay, so here comes the list which helps us to store multiple values inside a list. For that what you need to do is, after creation of your variable, that is your a, and after this equals to, what you need to do is you need to use square brackets, and inside these square brackets you can put different values like 12, 45, 56 and 76. Okay, so in the what I have done over here is I have assigned these three values to this single variable. Okay, so in this way you can create a list, and while creating this list you need to keep few things in mind, like your list values should be always inside this square brackets, and all the values should be separated by this comma. Okay, and your list will be created. So how you can access values, a single values inside a list? In previous example what we are doing was, where as soon as we pass a, what it is going to do, it was printing a single value which was holded by that particular a variable. But now if I try to run this program, and what it is printing complete list. Okay, but I don't want a complete list. I wanted to access only single value, because the whole point over here is I wanted to store multiple values, but whenever I need a specific value I can access that particular value. Okay, so to access a single values inside a list, what you need to do is you need to pass a position. Okay, so position, how you can know what is the position of that particular value? So basically positioning starts from right to left, that is 12 is at first position, 56 at second, and 76 at third position. But in list positioning starts from 0, not from 1. So 12 is at 0, 56 at second, and 76 at third. Okay, to access 56 what I need to do is, now I need to pass on the position, that is 0, this is 0 and this is 1, so I need to pass 1. For that what you need to do is, you need inside a print function call a variable, use square brackets, and inside this square bracket pass on the position. Now if I try to run this program, what it is going to do, it is going to pass 76. Okay, because 0, 1 and 2. Okay, in this way it is printing a 76 over here. And one more thing guys, it is inside a list you can store a different kind of values, like I have put a 2 integer and 1 float and 1 string value. It will going to store all these value. It is not going to give us an error. Okay, let me run this, and as you can see guys, it is printing all data, all different type of a value which is held by that particular list. In the same way, if I pass on the position 3 which is holding a India value, what it is going to do, it is going to give us a single values also, which is of a different data type. Okay, in the same way, if you can put a list inside list also. Let me put some values, and okay, to access this list what you need to do is, you need to pass the position of this complete list which is at 4th position. Now if I try to run this program, what it is going to give us a value of that complete list. And to access the values one by one from this list, what you need to do is, you need to again put a square brackets after the position of this list which is over here, and pass on the values which you need to access. I need to access a Mumbai over here. What I am going to do, I am going to pass the position of that particular Mumbai value which is at 0th position. So if I try to run this program, what it is going to give as a value, Mumbai. So guys, I hope you have got the idea how you can create a list, how you can store a value inside list, and what data type values can be stored inside a list. So In the same way guys, if you need to access your values in a reverse order, like we are accessing value from right to left. If you need to access a value from left to right, what you need to do is you can pass a -1 value, and you, by this way you can access last value of that particular list. Let me run this and you will get a better idea about it. As you can see guys, you can pass 4 or you can pass -1 and it will output this last value. In the same way you can decrease from -1, -2, -3. It will start outputting values from in a reverse order. Okay, so do check that out on your own for that. And as I've shown you guys, we can access single values of a list. But what if you wanted to access a multiple values of that particular list? Like you wanted to access this 56, 76 and India. Can we access these values in a single print statement? Yes, we can do that. Okay, for that what you need to do is you need to pass a position of this 56, which is at first position. After that you need to pass a colon. Okay, and you need to put a one more value, which is you wanted to access 56, 76.6 and India, right? So India is at third position. To access from this value to this value, you need to over here you need to pass a position of India plus 1. Position of India is 3 and you need to pass a 4 over here. Then only it will print all these values. Okay, let me run this. As you can see guys, it is printing my 56, 76.6 and India. Okay, in this way you can access a multiple values in a single print statement. And guys, if I remove this one, what it is going to do, let me run this and you will get a better idea about it. It is going to assume the starting point will be assumed over here is 0. So that's why it is printing 12, 56, 76.6 and India. Okay, in this way you can access a multiple values. Okay, in the same way, what if I remove last my value, and now I wanted to access from 76, what I need up till my last value, what I'm going to do is I need to pass a starting position and I will leave blank my last value. Okay, so what is happening over here is I have passed the position of this value, so my starting point is over here and my and it is printing until my last value present inside my list. Okay, and what if I put a blank value at a starting and at ending of this? It is going to give me a complete list guys. Okay, so in this way guys, you can access your list in a Python, and I hope you have understood how you can create a list, how you can access a list, and more operation on list will be coming in the next video. So stay tuned for that video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.